Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday 23rd of February 2022. Let's start with the Forex calendar. The most important event of the day already happened. The official cash rate from the New Zealand has been published at 2 a.m. So that was of course ASEAN session, and as expected, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand has increased the interest rate from 0.75% to 1%. Together with the official cash rate, there was a rate statement and monetary policy statement released. At 3 a.m. we got a press conference as well. During the London session, we got data from the Germany GfK consumer climate, wasn't expected, minus 8.1%. We are still waiting for the ZAV CS survey from the Switzerland, and we got some speeches. The speech is from the Bank of England Deputy Governor Ben Broadbent, and then MPC member Silvana Tenero will give a speech. Both of these events are scheduled 10:30. Consumer price index and core consumer price index from the Eurozone are scheduled for release at 11 o'clock. It's very interesting to see if the inflationary pressure are already priced in the consumer price index. 5.1% was the last reading. 5.1% is the forecast of the consumer price index, and we will get to know how the actual reading is located at 11 a.m. During the New York session, we don't have too many data scheduled for release. Only corporate profits from the Canada, and then 6 p.m. Again the speech from Silvana Tenero of the MPC. So I guess we should take a look at the New Zealand dollar after the official cash rate at the 1% had been announced. Daily time frame chart of the New Zealand dollar is showing us the very interesting bounce just ahead of the 6,502 pips level. Recently we bounced above the technical resistance located at 6,753 pips, and we are back towards the next technical resistance. This technical resistance is located at 6,804. So currently all of these levels will be of course the technical support for markets. Let me just quickly update our chart for the correct levels that are now must on the New Zealand dollar. As you can see, plenty of new support has been made on the New Zealand dollar. However, I think that this move up is in three waves. That's the one thing, and this is, well, it looks like it's more than 61% already. Let's take a look. Yes, 61% was at 6,749. The high was kind of a higher, so we are now getting through this level. High was 6,774. However, please notice the fact that this is a daily time frame chart, and the daily candle hasn't been completed yet, so we can still have a big wick, a big shadow to the upside, and like a red close we might have, just like it was here. However, the other thing is that ABC pattern can be seen here very clearly. So I'm just wondering whether there is some kind of a market geometry relationship here, and I think there is, because if we put our levels here, 100% is at 6,787. This is the target for the wave C, and then we will have a very nice correction of this move to the downside, ABC into 100% of the Fibonacci extension, and the market can continue the down move, because of course the market is in downtrend. RSI broke below 50 points on the momentum indicator. Currently 60 points was reached, so there is still 10 points to be covered, so there is still a room for the momentum to go a little bit higher and for the market to go towards 6,787. We wait for this level. There is a 6,804 pips technical resistance level, so please keep an eye on this level as well. But the key level here for the bulls is located at 6,888. This is of course the high of the 13th of the January 2021. So pretty nice developing here on the New Zealand to US dollar. Let's see how the market would react on the technical levels. The next market will be of course Australian dollar. Daily time frame chart of the Australian dollar is showing us as well the sign of strength. First of RSI positive, 59-60 points on the RSI means that we are approaching the level of 7,252 pips, and the market might easily break through this level. This is the key short-term technical resistance. Now the level of 7,179 is now technical, of course, support. We are still inside the black channel but below the other channel. Let me just update this visually to see the channels correctly, of course. So we will just put the parallel channel here. I don't change anything, just want guys to show you the parallel channel that we are having here. There you go. So we are still out of this channel, however we are approaching the black channel very quickly. The next level of interest, if we take a look here, 7,317 is the high, and it looks like that might be a very interesting point here, because the technical resistance and the lower channel line, the old channel line, is back here. Of course, if we break above this level, then we have a new higher high, and then the target will be 7,415. So please keep an eye on the Australian dollar as well. What is then, if Australian dollar is going up, New Zealand dollar is going up, what is oil doing? Very interesting to see what is oil doing. And we have kind of a double top made at 95.89. There you go, high 95.99. That's the high. The high here is 95.80, so that's not the double top. That's another let's say higher high. Yes, there you go, we got this higher high, but again red close, right? Big red candle here. So we are still waiting for our target. I'm really curious whether we will hit 98.87. That's still possible. However, we are diverging from the RSI. The RSI is going down, market is going a little bit up. It looks like this wave 5 target might be already in price, so we should expect some sort of the pullback lower towards the level of 88.23. That's just a technical point of view. However, please notice the fact that the RSI is still positive. And last but not least, let's take a look at Bitcoin. And the Bitcoin is bouncing slightly towards 39,000. Now this level is of course a technical resistance. It's a strong technical resistance, so the bounce is, as you can see, just a purely cosmetical. We are out of the channel, and if we break below 36,155, which is the low of the beginning of the February, the next target is the lowest low we got on this chart, the end of the January 2022, $32,905. There is no sign of any kind of impulsive rally to the upside. Market is still under the control of bears, negative RSI only 38 points on the RSI, still negative. Market is weak, so we should expect more downside to come very soon. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. So take care and bye bye.